All right, new episode. Okay, so if you watched last episode, I made some tweaks to the website. I was struggling with fixing this page. I think I finally got it. So I added this blue box. I added those badges. I added a rich text editor. Then this. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. The first thing what I want to do in this episode is set up GitHub. I saw many things on X that many people started losing their projects or Cursor would delete the whole thing. With all my other projects, I already have GitHub set up. With this one, I didn't. I don't know why. So if you're building something, please make sure you're using something like GitHub, or maybe there's other options as well, just so that you save your information and that you don't lose it if AI messes up. So yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna do in this episode. If you've been watching for a while, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, thank you for watching as well. It would really help me out if you guys can leave a subscribe. It's free. So yeah, just pay me by subscribing. That's all I need. I will give you the knowledge. If you can learn something from me, you give me the subscribe. I think that's a fair deal. All right, let's get into the episode. Okay, so I'm a GitHub desktop user. There's also, you can just do it with commands in Cursor. I just prefer doing this. I don't know why. So what I want to do, I press add and add existing repo. Then you choose the path where you store it. So for me, it's body travel directory. That's it. Add repo. And then what you do is first push. Then you commit it. And then you just publish it. Body travel directory 2025. That's all fine. So basically what it will do now, like whenever I make a change in Cursor, it will map it out here, and then you have a history and you can always revert back. So if you mess something up, you can always reverse back to a version that was actually working. So I highly recommend, if you're building something with AI or if you're building something in general, use something like GitHub so you can always go back to the history. So now you can see like, okay, hey, this is just the next app. And then the first push that we did is all the stuff we've been building over the few episodes. Yeah, so let's get into the episode. The first thing that I want to do is check the database if we have a link for affiliate links, because I don't think we have it. So we go to Supabase or Supabase. Actually, a friend of mine made a comment about it. Like, I'm still not sure how to pronounce it. Maybe I should just check. So Bali travel directory. Then we have our database, and then I think we should store it. Wait, let me just do auto layout because it's a mess. I think the best thing is to have it in the listings, because that's the unique thing we use for everything. I'm just gonna ask it to Cursor. Let me change the settings on my screen. This should be better. I first thought, oh, maybe you guys don't need to see my sidebar, but now when I'm switching from tools, you cannot see this, so maybe this is better. We're gonna use Super Whisper again. We have, wait, I need to change my settings. The input settings of my microphone were off, so. In the page of the stay detail page, we have a button for check availability. This should link to our affiliate link, but currently we're not storing the affiliate link anywhere. Should we store the affiliate link in the listings table? Because the listing we will use for stays and wellness, etc. I think that makes most sense to store it in this table. Can you please let me know if this makes sense, and then help me add a column for the affiliate link? I'm gonna ask it again. And basically what I mean with this, for people that are not familiar with affiliate marketing. So for this book now and check availability button, so for stays for sure, we can just link it to booking.com. And then if you visit my website and you click the link and you book, I get a commission. So that's how we can monetize the website. But maybe we can do something similar with spas or That's yet to be figured out. I just want it there so that we can just add it. If we don't have an affiliate thing, we can just add the link to the website, and then we can send some traffic to the local businesses here. Let's see. So it made this SQL. So what you do, you just copy it. You paste it in. So let's see what this. Add affiliate link column to listings table, alter table of exist public listings, add column if not exist affiliate link text. This refresh never works for me, so I press run. Okay, so this is done, and just to check, we go back to the tables. Then we have the listings. And then the last one should be affiliate link. So we have this now. So now it's also updating the sidebar. So it should have the affiliate link. So it's adding it in the query as well. The only thing that we need to make sure is that we add it to the admin dashboard. So we have here admin. The input settings of my microphone were off. So in the page of the stay detail page, we have a button for check availability. This should link to our affiliate link, but currently we're not storing the affiliate link anywhere. Should we store the affiliate link in the listings table? Because the listing we will use for stays and wellness, etc. I think that makes most sense to store it in this table. Can you please let me know if this makes sense, and then help me add a column for the affiliate link. I'm gonna ask it again. And basically what I mean with this, for people that are not familiar with affiliate marketing. So for this book now and check availability button, so for stays for sure, we can just link it to booking.com. And then if you visit my website and you click the link and you book, I get a commission. So that's how we can monetize the website. But maybe we can do something similar with spas, or that's yet to be figured out. I just want it there so that we can just add it. If we don't have an affiliate thing, we can just add the link to the website, and then we can send some traffic to the local businesses here. Let's see. So it made this SQL. So what you do, you just copy it. You paste it in. So let's see what this. Add affiliate link column to listings table, alter table of exist public listings, add column if not exist affiliate link text. This refresh never works for me, so I press run. Okay, so this is done, and just to check, we go back to the tables. Then we have the listings. And then the last one should be affiliate link. So we have this now. So now it's also updating the sidebar. So it should have the affiliate link. So it's adding it in the query as well. The only thing that we need to make sure is that we add it to the admin dashboard. So we have here admin. So we have our listing and our stays. So if I edit this, we need a field, maybe at links, add here our affiliate link. And if we don't add an affiliate link, we can do fallback on website. So let's see what it's doing. The form component include a field for the affiliate link. I think it's already doing it. And it's also already adding it to the links section, so we don't have to worry about it. The only thing then I want to make sure that if we don't have an affiliate link, that by default it falls back to the website URL. So even if we don't make money on it, then we can still send some traffic to the website, which is fair. Like, it's good to support local business in Bali, so I'm happy to do that. Have you guys ever done a project like this, like building a travel website? I've never been a big fan. I have quite a few friends that have travel websites. I just never thought it was for me. Usually my affiliate websites are in software or other niches where the payouts are just way higher. Like, of course, like a booking.com, if you send a lot of referrals, you can go up to 50%. But then even if it's like a $200 stay, they take 20%, so that's $40, then I get 20. If you send a lot of traffic, of course it adds up, but for me, all my other websites are in like software or tech related niches where they pay out like 20% commission lifetime. So if you have a subscription of $100, I get $20 every month, which is more interesting. Trying to connect to a database, but it cannot. Cancel. Okay, so let's see if they added it to the form. Yes. Booking.com/affiliate. Just gonna put a placeholder. Okay, update it. Then we can check here. This one didn't. They're not clickable. Let me see. Okay, so I want the book now button and the check availability button to have this affiliate link. Or also if you go to the website, also use the affiliate link. If there's no affiliate link, I want you to fall back to the website URL. So there's three places we can add the affiliate link, right? So here the book now, the check availability, and the website. Website, no. That should just be the website. So skip this. And then maybe even later we can add pricing. So with another website I have, we have pricing cards, and then we just have a book now or check pricing and an affiliate link there. Right now, I just want to get the platform live. Like, we can figure out the whole SEO and monetization strategy later. And just good for you to see now, if you now made changes, it's showing the changes here. So if I open the sidebar, I can see like, okay, hey, they added a button with affiliate link. Oh yeah. And then whenever I'm done today, I just commit it again. It will save it, and then we can continue working on it. I saw many tweets, or how do you call it now, Next? I don't know, where people just lost everything they worked on for the past months. Okay, so it's saying that this is done, so let's refresh. The book now button, no. Also didn't save the affiliate link. So we need to check this. When I post a affiliate link in the form and I save it, it doesn't get stored. Can you check if the form submission is taking the affiliate link as well and storing it in the database? Thank you. I don't think we need thinking. So what I just did, I added an affiliate link, but it didn't store it. So it might be that on the form submission, I think there's some logic where it says like, okay, update all those fields, but maybe this one wasn't added yet. So see, it's missing in the create and update save functions. Let's update blah, blah, blah. No, this cannot because we didn't set up Docker. Also, I have no clue how to explain Docker. Actually, I'll do some research into that. Data is being prepared correctly with affiliate link and now fix. Okay, so that should be fine. So we have, it's already here, booking.com affiliate, save changes. I refresh, it's there. I refresh this page. This button doesn't have it. Let's copy this. Okay, this one has it. This one, no, that's good. So only the book now in the hero. Okay, so only the book now button in the hero does not have the link. So can you please add the affiliate link there as well? And then I think we're good to go. Yeah, what I want to check as well, we go back to our Bali travel directory consultant. In my website, I want to have an embed of a map on my page. So basically it's saying the address, the location, etc. I get direction button, and then I want to show a map of the location. I'm just curious, what's the best plugin for maps? Is it just the Google Map API, or is that a paid one, or are there any better maps that work better? I would like to have some advice on which map API is the best for me to use. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so it's saying that this is done. Let's have a look. Okay, this also has a affiliate link. View gallery, not yet because we didn't add the days. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is update this. So edit affiliate link to listings. Just save it and push it. So now I know that in this update, I added the affiliate link to listings. And then if I do another update and something breaks again, I can always refer it back. Best map, Google Maps, extremely accurate information, accurate in Bali, familiar to users. Cons, paid FXC free tier, currently 200 monthly credit, which equals 28,000 map loads. Oh, that's not bad. Box. I remember that Peter Level said something about this. Well, since we're starting off small, maybe we can just use Google Maps. So how to get the YouTube? I believe it's quite easy. I think you just go to developers.google, you get the key. Let's just do this together. I'll just do it with my personal email. Don't hack me, guys. No, my password's impossible to guess, so. APIs and services. So can I make another new project? Bali handbook. No organization, that's fine. Okay, so Bali handbook. I want the Google Maps. I don't know why I store a wrong password in my password manager. By the way, if you're looking for a good password manager, for me, NordPass, by far the best. Entry focus, travel. Services, API key. framework, Node.js, React and Next.js. If I need to set up billing here, what I'm gonna do first is just can I just use this? Maybe what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pause this, set this up, and then continue with you. Okay, so I set up billing. Let's just have Claude next to it. So create API key, credentials, click create credentials, API key. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna make one and then get back to you. Okay, for this, I think it's done. What I'm gonna do. Now we have the map integration in the page. I'm gonna provide you with the Google Maps API key. Can you help me build an integration where we can show the location on the map because we have the geolocation, right? And then also make a button to how to navigate to this. Like if you need any other input, please let me know. Okay, I'm gonna let this run and insert the API key and then we just take it from there. Okay, so basically it one-shotted the whole thing. So say location is now using the Google Map component. It added the Google Map provider. It stored all the information. The only thing first, it stored the API hard-coded in the function. I asked it to store it in the .env file. How it looks like is like this. So I think Google is still verifying my billing. I don't know how to check it now, but here, I think this is because it doesn't have the billing yet. So, but it's working. So I can click on it, hotel Ubud, blah, 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 get directions. If I click get directions, it will actually open Google Maps. Shows it. So that's nice. Yeah, what else do we need? So today we actually implemented the affiliate link. Then this is all working. All working for the rooms and suites. It's working. I just need to make a little tweak and get some images. So I'll ask my partner for that. This is working. Probably I'm gonna change the UI. Maybe we need to optimize a little bit for SEO. But so far so good, I think. And then this similar stays. We'll test this in a future episode where we actually have more listings. So is there anything else? So this is working. I think we need to add more information points. Like I think we should really specify that we, more review. So we actually explain more about our whole stay there. Like what did we do? What did we eat? Just, I have to discuss this with my partner, like what content do we want to write and what do we want to show. But yeah, so basically this is all working. So what we now can do is just copy this and paste it to the dining. I first want to do dining and then maybe wellness. Beach clubs, I haven't been to a beach club for ages, so I'm gonna add this later. Yeah, and then I'm gonna ask Grace, my partner, to just start adding some content. And then we can see how the platform looks like. The amenities actually, maybe we can do this in this episode. Currently, the amenities are hard-coded as well. I think it's better if we create a table for the amenities and then pick it from there so that if we go on the stays page and we want to filter here for amenities, or like we have the hotels page, right? Then we can filter on amenities. So let's just ask this to Cursor. I'm gonna open a new chat. Still not thinking. So currently for the stays, the amenities I think are hard-coded. Would it make sense to make like a database table for amenities and link this to the stays and listings table, so that once in the future we want to filter on amenities, we can properly filter instead of having it hard-coded? Please give me suggestions and let me know if this would be a better approach. Because I think here, if we look at the database again, so we have listings and then we have stays, and then we have room types, we have room images, but we don't have any amenities for this. So I think it makes sense to add this. Dedicated. Is there like, there's probably also amenities for like beach clubs and stuff, right? Let's ask. Is there also like amenities for, in the future we will also build like beach clubs and dining? Should we mention amenities there, or do you think it's only for the stays? Because otherwise maybe it's better to call it stays amenities, the table, because then we can differentiate later. I just don't want to run into an issue that later we also need amenities again, and then should design with a future in mind. Each listing has its own specialized feature. And it would better to create a more generic structure. Oh, this is not what I meant. Maybe it's better, but I think this gets quite complicated. I just want the most easy. To option specific approach, generic, create a listing features that works. If you're primarily concerned about naming clarity, the specific approach is better. It makes the purpose of the table immediately clear and avoids confusion. However, the generic approach has these advantages. Unified code for handling features across all listing types, avoids creating multiple similar tables if you later need features for other listing types, which is common practice. I really don't know. Domain is stable and well defined, query performance critical, and you want to avoid type checking. Core amenities are often mentioned in the central system. Entity-specific feature are tracked separately. For the best practice will be depend on how different amenities features are between stages or listings, how many different listing types you plan to support. Start with stays amenities. I'm just afraid, because it's quite specific, right? Like for a hotel, if you can do dining or takeaway, that's features, right? But amenities is like, does it have a pool? Does it have a fridge in the room? Does it have room service? I think it's too specific. Okay, so we're gonna add this table. So we're gonna go to the SQL editor. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna paste this in. This I don't really care about. I just want for this, I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start a new chat for this amenities. Can you come with more amenities? Think of booking.com and Airbnb. So just by default, we have the option of all those different type of amenities. So what I'm gonna do first is just remove this, run this. Now it comes back with way more. I think we can just do it one by one. Room amenities. Terrace. Duplicate. Wait. Just give me the full list with only unique values. I can't have duplicates. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go to the table, database, stays. Haven't seen that before. And we're just gonna remove all of this, delete all the rows. This is already done, and it's still working. What did I say about monkey? Monkey forest nearby. Sudden. I don't know what's this junction thing. Okay, so now we have all the. We can in the admin dashboard change this later. Just I'm curious. Does this say anything about junction? What is this? I was gonna ask. What does this junction do? I have no experience with this. Maybe you guys know. If you guys know, please let me know. Probably it will answer me now, but in this case between stays, accommodations, and amenities. Talk about valid parameters with ID. Add or remove amenities for a stay without modifying the structure of either main table. When amenities is updated, name change, it's updated everywhere automatically. It's easy to query all stays with a pool. Okay, probably just for the index. Let's see if this is going properly at once. That will be great. I'll let this run. Whenever it's done, I'll get back. All right, let's see. So basically saying database structure created stays amenities, created stays amenities junction for many-to-many relationship, API routes, UI components. All right, let's see if it's actually there. So we go to our edit stay amenities. There we go. This is not bad, I think. Just need to give some more spacing. Maybe remove the add custom. Remove the add custom amenity, and also for the tabs, it's not very clear right now. I think it needs some more margin underneath. So yeah, if you can assist with that. No but. So we don't need thinking for this anymore. Yesterday, Claude and Anthropic were offline and I had no clue what to do with my life. So I went back to client work. So yeah, I'm happy that it's back online. Okay, let's see if it can remove those things and add some more margin. And then we're just gonna add a few amenities and see if it's actually storing in the database. Because then it just one-shotted the whole thing, which is amazing. Like, I think 2 days ago in an episode, I had so much issues. Okay, so let's say chapel, elevator, free Wi-Fi, convenience store, fire pit, save changes. It doesn't save, I think. Okay, can you check if on the form save it's actually being included? Because now when I save it, it doesn't store it. Like it just refreshed the page and it's not there. So please check. Also on the front end page, like the hotel detail page, it's still showing old amenities. So I'm not sure. I think this one is not connected to the new table yet. It's still using the data from the old table. So if we can update this as well. What we actually need to do is we have in the stays table here amenities. So what I want to do, database, table, stays, 7 columns. I want to remove the amenities. Okay, I'm gonna let this run. Whenever it's done, I'll get back. Okay, according to this, it's done. There's some issue. I also saw it already here. I'll let this run, guys. Whenever it's done, let's proceed. Okay, so it's saying that it should be resolved. This is working again. And we're saving stay. Does it say anything here? Move the amenities column of the stays. We should use the new amenities. What's the name again? Stays, amenities table. That's the name, right? Database, stays, amenities, yes. Please remove references to the old column. So basically still in the code, apparently it's referring to the columns amenities in the stay table. And that's probably why it cannot save, because it's trying to save something there, but it's... Developing is not easy, guys, so respect to all the coders, 100%. I'm lucky that we can now try and build stuff with AI. But yeah, 100% respect for people that actually 100% understand this and just can start typing and build it themselves. And we are back. So it's basically saying that we removed all the old amenities. It's now using the new stay amenities junction. So let's see. Amenities, let's say the first 4 we want to store. Doesn't seem to work. Okay, so It's just amenities and so do we get any issue? Okay, so I tried to add amenities, but for some reason it says updated successfully, but then when I refresh, the amenities are gone, and also they're not in the database stored. So what's going wrong here? Please analyze and make concise fixes. Okay, quickly looping you in. So it started making some change again because I could still not save it. Then I realized that there's no row level security. So I think it should be fine unless it's written in the code that it needs row level security. So now what I ask Cursor is to write me row level security for both tables. So now it made the policies for the stays amenities and for the stays junction. Okay, that's done. Okay, then let's see if that fixes it. Okay, now it stays. I'm just putting basic icons, that's fine. Google Maps, billing error, whatever. Okay, so that's all working. I'm very happy with this. So yeah, I think that's it for today. So we integrated Google Maps, we fixed the amenities, we added the affiliate links. Yeah, the next thing is, I think, for us to store data and then start mapping out the other sections of the website. So the stay, the dining, experiences, the wellness. And then from there, we will start working on the SEO and that whole setup. Because I think for this, if we look at the page structure, it should be kind of okay. So we look at the content. We have the H1, then our experience, a pro tip, about Hotel Ubud, rooms and suites, and then room types. I don't think this needs an H3. Amenities, the stay information. This doesn't need to be H3. Getting around. This also doesn't need to be a heading. I will explain more about the whole SEO later. Similar stays. This will be dynamic once we add more listings. And then for the footer as well, this doesn't need to be headings. But again, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'm very happy with our progress so far. Also, what I want to show you guys, for whoever is still watching to the end, I am in another episode, not of this series, but on another video on my YouTube channel. I'm building this page. So basically this is a public page. I still need to update all the old days. So I think currently we're at day 15 or 16, if I'm not mistaken. So what I'm gonna do per day is upload a blog post, the tweets from, I will do it for the future videos, and then the video. And then basically I will keep the progress here and you guys can see all the information that I shared, all the tools that I use, I want to add here. And also what I'm working on right now is to make a feedback. So I want you guys to give me feedback on my videos, one, but also I would like to have feedback on if you think there is some nice feature that we can add to the travel directory. Please leave it here, or maybe I separate both. And also what it will have, I think I will make this into a table, but then for day one, for example, if you don't like, oh, hey, can I see the blog post? Then it will show you the blog post. Yeah, so if you guys have any feedback on what I can add here or what would be fun to build, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribing would help me out a lot. So if you're still here watching, help a boy out. And see you in tomorrow's episode. Cheers.